it is important to note that both the United States and China are major global powers with significant economic and military capabilities. They have complex relationships that are shaped by a variety of political, economic, and social factors. While there are tensions between the two countries, including disagreements over trade, human rights, and territorial disputes, both countries have also engaged in diplomacy and cooperation on various issues. A war between the United States and China would have catastrophic consequences for both countries and the world as a whole. Therefore, it is in the best interest of both countries to work towards peaceful solutions and manage their differences through diplomatic channels. It is important to remember that even if tensions escalate, it does not necessarily mean that a war is inevitable. Many factors, including the actions and decisions of political leaders, can impact the trajectory of the relationship between the United States and China. However, if such a conflict were to occur, it is difficult to predict the exact location of the war zone, as it would depend on the circumstances and nature of the conflict. That being said, the two countries have previously had tensions in various regions, including the South China Sea, Taiwan, and North Korea, which could potentially be flashpoints for a conflict. Additionally, both countries have military bases and alliances in different regions around the world, which could also be impacted. It is important to note that a war between the United States and China would have significant global implications, and any potential conflict must be avoided through diplomatic channels and peaceful resolutions to ensure the safety and stability of all nations involved. However, the Philippines is a key strategic location in the Asia-Pacific region, and it has historically been a U.S. ally. The country has also had disputes with China over territorial claims in the South China Sea, which has led to tensions between the two countries. If a conflict were to occur between the United States and China, it is possible that the Philippines could be involved, either directly or indirectly. The Philippines hosts several U.S. military bases and has a mutual defense treaty with the United States, which could potentially drag the country into a conflict. However, it is important to note that the Philippine government has stated that it seeks to maintain neutrality and peaceful relations with all nations, and any involvement in a conflict would likely be a result of an escalation of tensions in the region.